Hello and welcome back to the part 2. So basically in part 1 we log into our fresh Ubuntu, open a terminal and launch the script installation. After everything went smoothly, the containers were downloaded, also the Microsoft SQL container in which we keep the database, then we created a table for this database, and then we downloaded the script downloaded one by one all the other containers which are displayed, the version are displayed by Jabra to this link, and every time a new container will be updated, we'll get a new release. And the new container should be uploaded to your Xpress OnPrem server. The upload will take only one command to run, and then we can log in or create a user. Then we can log into our Xpress new installation. And from there, we can download a package. Of course, you need to use the same password as the registration point. And then from administration, we can download a package, which we will install it on our PC. So I have already the package downloaded in this folder, temporary folder. I will go in command prompt and I will install it. Normally, the package is downloaded in a zip archive, which can be, of course, unzipped and pushed to your client's PC. Then the client PC will get this Jabra Direct package installed, and this will communicate with the Xpress server. Basically, in this link here about Direct, we'll see an URL, and this is the IP of our server. And now, if I'm lucky, the device will be also discovered in our dashboard. So here in inventory, you have new devices found. This is my Jabra 75 Direct. I will try to change some maybe settings. Let's see. Tones. I will try English. Let's see if we can send those settings to the client PC. So basically, this one will receive some updates. And then in the device settings, we expand, and we'll see that already the selected settings in the dashboard, Xpress OnPrem dashboard, are transferred to the client PC. The same for package settings for the Jabra Direct. Let's see, we disable this notification, and we will disable also the feedback. And then we need to enable this collecting data in order to get the analytics later on. And of course, we have also a search. Probably if we search for engage, we found our device, which has this electronic serial number and the computer name. So basically from this interface, which is running on the Xpress OnPrem server, we can manage our headsets in the entire organization. So that was for part 2. Thank you.